Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this Needoh squishy blind box. You can tear open the top like this. You can tear it as many times as you like, so it's reusable. You got the secret one, and also here are the key. And you get a paper squishy Needoh that fits perfectly inside the box. Let's get started into the tutorial. You need a piece of paper, then you take some pencils, and after you took your pencil, eraser and ruler, you will need to sketch out the template. I'm gonna show you how to sketch it out. Here, you have to do it like this. Measure every 7 centimeters from the start of the paper and mark it with a dot or a line, and repeat it 4 times on the long side, just like this. Here I marked it, and then you mark 2 more of 7 centimeters on the short side, like this and like this. After you've done that, connect those lines, like the short lines like this way, the long lines this way, just like this. It should look something like this. It should have this part. Afterwards, draw your design here, 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 and here. First one done. This is the front. This is this part of the box. This one, it's gonna be this part. And then the top, the bottom, and the sides. I'm gonna sketch it out and come back like this. It's gonna be here Needoh. This is the key, and this is the tear open. After that, cover it like this. I covered it already. Erase all of the pencil marks now, like this. It's all erased. Then cover it in clear tape. Like this, it's covered in tape. Then cut it out. Here, now it's cut out and folded by the sides. After you've done folding all the sides, tape it together. After you've taped the whole box, you need to cut this part like this, and do it on this side as well. Just like this, and then cut out the tear open part just like this, and take a piece of tape and cut a piece off. It should be about as long as the box, about as long as this part. I'm gonna stick 2 pieces together like this, a piece of tape, and stick it. Instead of sticking this way, here's the inside out side, and you stick it on like this. So this part, the top, was sticky. Then you take some double tape, take a piece and stick it off like this, and roll it into a piece like this, and put it right here. like this. So when you stick it on like this, you can put this part on, but cover both sides in clear tape first. Now it's covered in tape, and you can put it on like this. So you can rip it like this and then open it. Now time to make the Needoh paper squishy. Here's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take a piece of cardboard, or you can use a piece of paper, and measure how long is the bottom. Cut it out around it like this. It should be the size of the bottom, and then make it a bit smaller so it would fit perfectly inside the box. About this big, make it straight. You will need it to trace out the same squares on a piece of paper, and that's gonna be the template. I'm gonna draw it and then come back. First, draw two like this. Next, this. You can pause the video and copy it. Okay, now we're gonna color it like this. I'm doing the secret one. You don't draw the color of the secret one because it's a secret. So my one is gonna be this cherry red. Now cover the whole thing with clear tape like this. What are you doing here? Like this. It's covered in tape, and then cut it out. This, it's all cut out, then folded by the lines like this. It has to be all neat and nice. You don't need to tape the other side. This is the outside. This is the inside. Like this. Now tape it so it was like a block, and leave the top part open. Like this, leave the top open to add some plastic bags, stuffing, or paper scraps. I thought maybe I can try to add some fabric and tissue. Let's see if it feels nice, but kind of heavy and not like a paper squishy. Well, I cannot find anything else to put in, but I'm gonna try to add some paper. Now I tried it. It feels worse, so I think I'm gonna use the fabric. Well, first time using it, now I'm gonna tape it closed. Take some tape. You have to take a piece of tape, put it here. I already taped the squishy and wrote Needoh on it like this, and then you have to put it inside the box, and then the piece of paper that you had before, this one, you can write like which one did you get, like this. I already wrote it. You got secret, and then you put it on top of the box, close it up, put this one on top like this. And now here's the final result, like this, and reusable tear open. Thank you for watching. Bye.